Okay, so this is a question we're going to solve. Truthfully, I've not solved this question before, so I had to get my calculator. Let's hope we'll be able to do this exactly as we've been doing it. So let's see. The question is from the top of a story building. The angle of depression of a mango on the tree 20 meters away from the base of a story building is 68 degrees. If the mango is 4.5 meters above the ground, what is the height of a story building to the nearest meter? Now the question is a little bit confusing, right? Now to say that from the top of a story building, so let's start with that. So let's say this is a story building. This is a story building. So let's say this is a story building. Yeah. Okay. So from the top of a story building, angle of depression. So there's an angle of depression. So maybe I should remove this way I drew the story building. Let me just make the story building a single line. So since they say angle of depression, we're going to do something like this. And then like this. Okay? No, not yet. So we're going to do something like this. First, and put the angle of depression here. But we don't know where it's going to yet, so we'll just wait. So they said the angle of depression of a mango on the tree. So there is a mango and there's a tree. Now let's say this is the mango tree. Let's call this the mango tree. Okay. And then there is this mango here. Okay. Because that's what it said. It said depression of a mango on the tree 20 meters away. And since it's 20 meters away, it's going to be this point. So this is 20 meters away from the story building. Okay. So now they said the angle of depression 20 meters away from the base of the story building is 68 degrees. So this is 68 degrees for the angle of depression. So, but they said that the mango is 4.5 meters above the ground. 4.5 meters above the ground. So that means from this mango point, from the mango point to the ground, let me draw the ground a little bit straighter. Let me do this. Sorry about that. Okay, still not working well. Okay, let me just clean this part off and draw the ground down a little bit more, and then to this point, and then this is our mango tree and our mango. Okay. So okay, now so they said the mango is 4.5 meters above the ground, so not the tree itself, the mango. So this is the mango and this is like 4.5 meters. So let's put it this way. This is 4.5 meters. So 4.5 meters. What's wrong with my pen? Okay, this is 4.5 meters above the ground. Okay. Meters. But we already know that the distance between the tree and the building is 20 meters. So we'll just put it here. Okay. I think I will draw this diagram again in another page, but let's just draft it out first. So now, but they say, what is the height of the story building? Okay, so the height of the story building is what we do not know. So and the angle of depression is going to be from the mango on the tree. So it's going to stop at the mango point. Okay, and then we're going to have a line drawn this way like this. And we already know that the angle of depression is alternate to angle of elevation from the mango to the top of the story building. So here is also going to be 68 degrees. Okay, so we know this now. Now let me draw the diagram again in another page. So this was our tree, and this was the mango from it. Let's just put a tree like this. Okay, the tree looks like a man. Okay, then sorry, the mango looks a little bit short. So I'm going to make the tree longer. Okay, so this could be the mango here. Okay, then this was our story building. Okay, and then 20 meters away was here. Then the height of the mango to the ground was 4.5 meters. So this is 4.5 meters. Okay. Okay. Then we know that the angle of depression was 68 degrees here, which is also equal to the angle of elevation um, from the mango. So this is also 68 degrees. Okay. Let me make this tree bigger. Okay. So we know that we do not know the height of the story building. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, the height of the story building. So it took us a lot of time to draw this, but I just want to take it exactly as it should be so that you understand what is going on. So basically, we know that from the mango to the ground is 4.5 meters. So that means that the mango to the ground has taken one portion from the height of the building, because we're comparing the two heights now. So that means here also, which is this point here, is a story building, right? Um, this is a story building. So that means from here to here of the story building is also the height from the mango to the ground. So this part is already let's call it H2. H2. This part here is already 4.5 meters. So we already know that's height of the building, 4.5 meters, H2, 4.5 meters. I'll fix the pen issues later. Okay, but we do not know H1, which is the remaining part of the story building up. So we do not know H1, and that's what we're looking for. So, but we know that the same distance from the ground to the base of the story building is the same distance from the mango on the tree to the story building. So it's just the same. So that means here also will be 20 meters. That means this is going to also be 20 meters. I'm sure you understand that point. And okay, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so now we need to find h, and to find h we need opposite over adjacent, because opposite is the unknown, which is the h1 here, and adjacent is given, which is 20 meters. So we have, for our solution, we have tan theta, which is tan 68 degree. I'm going to put it here. Tan 68 degrees equal to opposite, which is h1, over adjacent, which is 20. And if we cross multiply, we have h1 is equal to 20. Let me use a different color. This is looking less visible. So we had tan theta, okay, tan 68 degrees equal to h1 over 20. So we have h1, if you cross multiply, is going to give you 20 tan 68. Okay, and tan 68 is that's why I needed my calculator. Tan 68 is 2.4750. So we have 20 times 2.4750, and that will give you what? Okay, so on 20 times 2.4750 is going to give you, let's see, do we have another page here? Okay, that's going to give you 49. So that's equal to 49 point I want to fix this 49. It's 49, yeah, 5017. Okay, so this is equivalent to H1. Yeah, H1. That's what we, yeah, that's H1. H1, yes. So now we know that the height of the story building is going to be h1 here plus h2. So we know that h1 is 49.5. Let's just put it 0.5 here. So if we add h1 plus h2, we get the whole height of the story building. So h1 plus h2 equal to height, okay, of story building. So that is 49.5 plus, that was 4.5, right? 4.5. This is equal to what? That is equal to 54 meters, right? That's equal to 54 meters. So that is the height of the story building. Height of the story building. And all we just did was for us to understand the whole question. And what would have been confusing there was when I mentioned the angle of depression of a mango on the tree. So like basically it was like mango on the tree, not the tree itself. So like you have to understand that they want you to pay attention to the elevation or depression. Okay, the depression from the top of the story building to the mango itself on the tree. And they gave the actual height of the mango on the tree from the ground, which was 4.5 meter. And that took about 4.5 meter away from the original height of the story building. So by finding the remaining height of the story building using this triangle here, we were able to get the h1, which is the remaining height. We added it to the height, the other height this way, which is corresponding to 4.5, which is the height of the mango to the ground. And then we were able to get our final answer. So understanding the question, you get your answer. And this is actually correct. I just checked the back of the textbook, and this is the answer. So you can do the same. I want you to try out exercises, do as many as you can, because angle of elevation depression can be kind of terrible sometimes, So the more questions you solve, the more you understand the way you approach some problems. Yeah, but there are other examples that we're going to be solving, especially this time we'll be looking at double triangles. So remember, the question tells you the kind of approach or the diagram you're going to use to solve. That's what we'll be looking at next video.